Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics for NEET droppers. First, thoroughly understand the NEET physics syllabus, focusing on both Class 11 and 12 topics. Next, master fundamental concepts before moving to advanced topics. A strong base is crucial. Finally, practice daily with a variety of problems, starting with easier ones and gradually increasing difficulty. This consistent effort builds confidence and problem-solving skills. Develop a structured study timetable, allocating specific time slots for physics daily to ensure consistency. Prioritize high-weightage chapters, as these often contribute significantly to your overall score. Regularly revise all formulas and key principles. Flashcards or short notes can be very effective here. Active recall and spaced repetition will solidify your understanding and retention. Dedicate significant time to solving previous year's question papers diligently. This familiarizes you with exam patterns. After each practice session, analyze your mistakes thoroughly to identify weak areas and conceptual gaps. Take full-length mock tests under timed conditions weekly to simulate the actual exam environment and improve your time management skills. Don't hesitate to seek clarification from mentors, teachers, or reliable online resources whenever you encounter difficulties. Maintaining a positive mindset and effectively managing stress are crucial for sustained performance throughout your preparation. Remember to stay hydrated, especially during long study sessions. Check the description for a link to a great water bottle and other helpful deals. Consistent effort, combined with smart strategies, will pave your way to success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.